Welcome to Wenzhou Zhongsheng Sanitary Ware Company Limited. Let us give a brief introduction of our company for you. Established in 2012, we are a modern sanitary ware enterprise integrating R&D, production and trade. With 11 years of professional development, we have established 4 production bases in Wenzhou, Quanzhou, Zhongshan and Chaozhou. Specializing in manufacturing complete bathroom product lines including faucets, shower sets, toilets, sinks, and bathroom cabinets. We have multiple complete production lines and advanced production machines. We have been tested by and.check, one of the testing, inspection, and certification companies. We have ISO 9001, CE, W or AS, Sabre, and other certifications. We were rated as National High-Tech Enterprises and Innovative Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises in Zhejiang Province. As a professional manufacturer, we always place great emphasis on quality control. Our products have been sold to USA, all European countries, Russia and nearby countries, South America countries, Middle East countries for different standards. We can also offer OEM and ODM service. We are able to customize new models, logo, packaging, and offer specific certifications required by customers. Tens of thousands of products and a 600 square meter exhibition hall and 72-hour rapid sampling. Currently, our annual sales turnover has exceeded $20 million. Superior quality, attractive designs, and reasonable pricing are our main advantages, which made our products more competitive at home and abroad. We sincerely hope that we could establish a long-term business relationship with more customers on the basis of honesty, equality, and mutual benefits. We provide one-stop bathroom solutions for global partners. Let's build a prosperous future.